Our idea is a drone for humanitarian aid, which has future as we will see. For the solution, there is a need for a robot assistance in relief effort, also lack of accurate information regarding search and resource plans. The need for accurate data, clear view of resource operations, access to very dangerous locations, water and air testing. Actually, the transformed aid looks to fill in all the gaps. Background. Both natural and man-made disasters have continuously endangered the livelihood of man, disaster ranging from earthquake to hurricanes, planes crashed to oil pipe explosions. The number of natural disasters has quadrupled in the past 30 years. More than 2,600 several storms have occurred in the last 30 years. The total cost of damage caused by natural disaster only in the 1990s is over $650 billion.
We often face with a paradox designed to make products smaller and lighter, while at the same time more powerful. The more we reduce the product physical volume, the more difficult it becomes to increase its power and maintain its battery life. But if we overcome these challenges, we can make something without compromise.
There are 8 major underlying technology that we have used in our product. The first one is the quadcopter drone. Quadcopter identifies with a particular set of drones with 4 engines that make lift for vertical takeoff through their propellers. Second technology is biomimicry. The third one is 3D or 360-degree cameras. The front and the rear lenses each capture 180 degrees horizontally and vertically, creating a seamless and complete 360-degree field of view. The fourth feature that we have incorporated in our product is infrared camera. The next feature is the 3D printing. Using 3D printers for rapid prototyping allows us to work with affected people to trial many different designs and then quickly iterate and improve on the design to better meet their needs. We have got 3 advantages of using 3D printing. First is the low cost, second is portable, and third one is it is immediate correction. We have also used 3 sensors, which are namely heat sensors, temperature sensors, and chemical sensors. There are certain benefits and unique selling points which are related with our product. There are 6 selling points. The first one is the ability to change form. The second is the condition adaptive. Third is 360-degree range of imaging. The fourth is mini 3D printing ability. Fifth is the water testing for chemical reactions. Sixth is the air testing for the gas pollution.
The main user of our device is skilled humanitarian relief workers and teams. For the limitations, due to the current safety situation and some policies, it is illegal to operate a drone in a no-fly zone. We are unable to using this drone in some specific areas that suffer from disaster. Also, because of some technical limitations, battery life will gonna be a big challenge. To take more payloads, this drone needs to generate more power and consume more electricity. We hope this device could work for 15 minutes to 1 hour, but the current maximum battery life is just automatically 30 minutes. Besides, the circuit speed is not fast enough. Top speed is just 5 miles per hour. If we can make it faster, so we can make the rescue process more efficient. Lastly, most of the recent drones using the Wi-Fi signal, so the maximum range it can be controlled is 5 kilometers. But it is not enough for doing a rescue mission. Now let's move to the SWOT analysis. Consider of the strengths. For example, we got some unique standing point like 360-degree camera and equipped with 3D printer. For the weakness, we lack of brand recognitions. However, international market will be a good opportunity while where established competition is one of the threats.
This device has the capability of carrying out more than just the usual imaging. It can perform a 360 degrees imaging, which gives more clear and precise image for mapping. Alongside also, it has the special ability of mini 3D printing. This is an emergency in terms of humanitarian aid, in terms of rescue relief, where things are needed immediately and they are not available. Alongside also, it can also be able to carry out mini testing of gas, oil spillage, and water, testing for presence of chemicals, contaminations, and otherwise.
In terms of the competition, we have the SenseFly X-Zone drone. The SenseFly X-Zone drone is an intelligent mapping and inspection drone. It has a rich and professional offering of triple view imaging and also advanced situational awareness. And we also have the Lockheed Martin Indigo. The Lockheed Martin Indigo is a quadruple unarmed aerial system which has high capabilities as well. It has leading endurance and quick development abilities. Aside that, we have the DJI Phantom. The DJI has a collection of drones, but looking at the Phantom, it has the closest in competition to the Transformate. Looking at all these drones, we look at the skills availability. What are the available skills out there for the control of drones? We know that the technology of robots and drones is widely becoming much more accepted and the market is rapidly growing. But we realize that more training is required for people to fly drones, and also more enlightenment is to be given to people about the use of sensors, use of transfer of data using smart sensors.
Transformer Ant is one of the most brilliant devices I ever saw. It combines with different kind of sensors, prodroma cameras, and mini 3D printers. It can provide more kind of information to the rescue team to do the humanitarian aid. Although it is one of the most brilliant devices I ever saw, but it still has some limitations. And I believe that Transformer Ant is the next generation of the humanitarian aid technology.